Are you constantly feeling like an emotional dumpster for everyone else's problems? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you just saw that intro and thought, yep, that's me, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're talking about a book that promises to hand you back the keys to your own happiness, and it does it with just two simple words. We're diving into Mel Robbins' latest book, a phenomenal read that's already changing millions of lives. It's called The Let Them Theory. So, what exactly is the Let Them Theory? It's not about being a jerk, or ignoring your responsibilities, or suddenly becoming a cold, unfeeling robot. Far from it. Imagine you're a person carrying a huge suitcase. That suitcase is full of other people's expectations, their judgments, their emotions, and even their problems. You're walking slower and getting more tired because you're trying to control everything and make everyone happy. Mel Robbins says, let them. It's like finally realizing you don't have to carry that luggage. Let them have their opinions. Let them make their own choices. Let them have their own drama. Let them think whatever they want. It's their baggage, not yours. It's like a mental, noise-canceling headphone set that filters out all the external noise that isn't yours, so you can finally hear your own inner voice clearly. Sounds simple, right? And it is, but the impact is profound. This isn't just fluffy self-help. Mel Robbins, for those who don't know, is a #1 New York Times best-selling author, a motivation expert, and she backs everything up with science and real-life examples. This book will teach you how to stop wasting energy on the things you can't control. Do you constantly compare yourself to others? Are you held back by fear and self-doubt? Are you living to meet someone else's expectations? Let Them will help you break free. It's about building the best relationships of your life because they're based on authenticity, not obligation. It's about chasing your dreams, not someone else's version of success. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and most importantly, your peace of mind. This book acts like a compass, helping you to refocus your attention on what truly matters, your happiness, your goals, and your life. Now, I'm usually a physical book in my hand kind of person, but for The Let Them Theory, the audiobook experience on Audible is an absolute game changer, and many people agree. Think about it. You're stuck in traffic on your daily commute, or sweating it out at the gym, or just cooking dinner at home. Instead of listening to boring podcasts or commercials, you can have a legend like Mel Robbins, with her powerful yet soothing voice, deliver this life-changing wisdom directly into your ears. One listener put it perfectly, Mel Robbins makes my driving destinations enjoyable. She's so right. It's like having your own personal life coach in the passenger seat, injecting positive energy and practical strategies into every commute. I'm telling you, it makes the drive feel shorter, and traffic less annoying. I saw a review where someone said they picked up the book, loved the first half, but then put it down. It wasn't until two mentors mentioned the book, specifically the sections on love, that they went back and finished it. They realized how insightful and practical it was. This proves it's worth revisiting, and the audiobook format makes it so easy to reabsorb these key takeaways anywhere, anytime. But let's get real for a second. Some might think, is this just an excuse to be selfish? Absolutely not. This book isn't about apathy. It's about boundaries. It's not about abandoning people. It's about empowering yourself so you can actually be more present and more effective for the people and things that truly matter. Teaches you how to differentiate what's your responsibility and what's theirs to carry. What emotions are yours and which have you absorbed from others. It makes you realize you were trying to control too much of what you simply can't. And that's exactly what's been keeping you from happiness and success. Let Them is about stepping into your own power. It's about defining your own path, not letting the noise of the world define it for you. It's a call to self-respect, resilience, and finally, genuine fulfillment. One thing I really love is how it uses a no-nonsense approach to explain everything, combining psychology and neuroscience with Mel's own relatable life stories. As you listen, you'll find yourself thinking, wow, why didn't I think of that before? So, if you're ready to stop being a human doormat, if you're ready to reclaim your energy, and if you're ready to unlock a level of happiness and freedom you didn't even know was possible, then The Let Them Theory on Audible is a non-negotiable must-have. Seriously, this isn't just another audiobook. It's an operating system upgrade for your brain. And the easiest way to get started, especially if you're always on the move, is through the audiobook. I've put an Amazon affiliate link in the YouTube description below. Click on it to learn more, and if you're a new user, you might even get a free trial and a free book. Stop hesitating. Your future self will thank you for making this decision today. Go click that link. Remember, let them and let you live. See you next time.